Hello everyone, we are the students of second year B Pharmacy of KBHS Trust Institute of Pharmacy. Today we will perform the practical of medicinal chemistry first 4th semester. So let's start. The aim of the today's practical to prepare the synthesis of 2,3-diphenylquinoxaline from orthophenylene diamine OPD. So firstly refer that reaction. The reactant of that reaction is orthophenylene diamine react with benzene in the presence of rectified spirit to the synthesis of 2,3-diphenylquinoxaline. Chemicals used for that practical such as orthophenylene diamine, benzene and rectified spirit. We know that orthophenylene diamine is shortly known as the OPD. Apparatus used for that practical are funnel. In procedure, take 2.1 gram of benzene by using weighing balance. Also take 8 ml of rectified spirit. We use the rectified spirit as a ethanol. In beaker, first add benzene and 8 ml rectified spirit. Mix it thoroughly and warm the solution in water bath. Now weigh the OPD 1.1 gram by using weighing balance. Now put 8 ml of rectified spirit and 1.1 gram of OPD orthophenylene diamine. Stir it. Put the solution of OPD into the warm solution of benzene. Warm in water bath for 30 minutes. Add water. Warm in water bath for 30 minutes. Add water until a slight cloudiness persists and allow to cool. We have cooled this solution. Filter it well by using filter paper. We have obtained the brownish color crude product, that is 2,3-diphenylquinoxaline